Hi, gonna wait for price action to shape up, and then we're gonna start refining the new strat some more. Take some more notes, learn some stuff. All right, one thing I've noticed is that I always want to short after it drops down a little bit, and I also want to go long once it does a little pop up. But in order for this to work, I gotta get in before it does that. I can't be reacting to anything. All right, I assume the mic is picking this up, which is kind of funny because I have the gain insanely low, which, by the way, if you need a tip how to get your audio to sound better, turn down the gain a lot and then speak really closely. Even with that, they are replacing the entire roof of the apartment. Probably no video, I don't know. I mean, obviously if you're seeing this, there's a video. I think I'm going to continue working. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. It is so loud. What? Well, I didn't record that, but I just did a 3-point stop loss with a 4-point take profit, trading for 3 minutes, and it went pretty well. It seems like the higher the stop loss and the higher the profit target that I go for, the worse I get. And I get better the lower I get. When I don't try to catch those big moves or try to get something bigger, seems like I'm pretty good at that. Honestly, not bad. It's $2. I feel like there could have been some better plays, some better decisions. As I've said before, I'm just kind of experimenting right now. I need to take a lot of trades in order to collect data, so I can combine everything, the time of day, the ATR, the type of price action, all of these different variables together, and see what works best. I understand you want to help, but there's a reason I'm doing this on the sim account. And unless you've explored this type of trading before, then your experiences probably don't translate to this type of trading. As I've said before, a couple months from now, maybe I'll look back and be like, wow, that was a dumb way to trade. Or maybe I'll still be trading like this and I'll have worked out all of the different variables in the system. It's also kind of funny that I stopped once it became really good for trading. I'm gonna continue testing throughout the day. Recording and thinking about it being on video kind of distracts me and isn't always helpful to my own learning. So thank you so much for your support. I really, really appreciate it. And I will see you tomorrow. Probably